Hello and welcome to MBKM Models. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow for more aircraft documentaries and model build videos. Now here's the kit that I bought at the IPMS show, Scale Model World at Telford a couple of months ago. Alright, a lot of you enjoyed the video that I uploaded when I was there, so thank you for that. Alright, now this is a good kit. I'd say the tool on it is from around the 2000s. One part has got 1994 on it, and the other parts go back to the early 70s, and it's also got two sets of instructions in it. Yeah, so I'm building on the later instructions because you've got to try and work that out yourself. Worthy kit to build. It's the plastic is good. Excuse me. And what I'm intending to do is to fit a retracting undercarriage into it, which is going to be scratch built. Alright, I think the first thing to do with anything like this is to do some research on a real aircraft. Alright, see what goes on there. My last job at British Aerospace many years ago was on mains undercarriage hydraulics. Now mains undercarriage, that's the wheels that are on the mid of the aircraft, you know, not the one on the nose. So in all of it I'm doing something that was effectively within my trade. But obviously I'm not going to get a miniature sort of hydraulic system to put in there. When I was an apprentice with Rolls-Royce, we had to make a hydraulic system. That was part of the training. I went to their college, of which we did a year's broad-based engineering training, which was orientated around aircraft. So we spent 2 weeks in the hydraulics section, where they had a Britannia undercarriage there. It was from the Britannia that came down on the Severn in the 1960s, which the guy there, he was a very interesting man, and he was an apprentice in the RAF pre-World War II, and then served all throughout the war and for a bit after. Very interesting man. He used to get his photo album out and show us all the pictures of when he served, what aircraft he worked on, when he served with the Americans, all sorts. Yeah, good stuff. But he used to operate that undercarriage on compressed air, which was interesting. But we had to learn how to bell pipes, which you do with a small, it's not a machine, it's a sort of jig. It's like a jig, and then you've got to really clean that those brass pipes up so that they don't split. You bell the pipes, and then before you bell them, you put the nuts on, and then they're wire locked in place. And you've got to you get a reservoir on a rig, and then you put all the pipes you've made into that, and then you pump hydraulic fluid under pressure, and then you make a jack ram move. Okay, so that's what happens with a real undercarriage. All right, so let's go over now to a picture of the original. Okay, let's have a look at the undercarriage now. There's a great shot here. Alright, what they've done is remove the leading edge, which leaves the entire undercarriage exposed. So what we're going to make here is something that looks like this. You're not going to keep the scale of what you get in the plastic kit. Alright, so if you're looking from the leading edge down, you've got a fixed point there, and then it comes down to a cylindrical joint, alright, which is like the bearing. Excuse me, and then you're going to go down to the part of the undercarriage which holds the wheel on. Alright, now what happens is this is operated by hydraulic fluid, and by the looks of this one, you've got a central jack ram which hooks onto the movable part at the bottom of the undercarriage and then pulls it to the rear. So what happens is you've got some aircraft, the wheels will go up to the to the leading edge. Will go up towards the leading edge, and then some other aircraft, the wheels will go backwards up towards the trailing edge. Now for this one, the Beaufighter, they go up